Good day. This recording will showcase how the student can be able to analyze the submitted feedback or report from the Turnitin system after the student have submitted the document to be run through the Turnitin system. So you log in to your site, you go to turnitin.com and then you click on login. And this time around, you don't register because we have already registered in the first previous video where you were given the what you call it, the enrollment key and the class ID, and then you have created your account. So when you log in again on Turnitin, you just click on login and then you use those credentials that you have created before, and then you click on the login button. Now you are inside your Turnitin. This is the student platform. So it will appear like that. That will be your classes and then the lecturers that are in conducting those classes or created those classes. So you will click on the class that you are going to use or you want to check the recording of. For example, I think it's here. You click on the class ID, on the class name, and then you click on the open button. After you've clicked on open button, you will find the document that you have uploaded. You will find the document that you have uploaded. So inside this test, this is the document that I have uploaded as the student. It will show the similarities, which is now I'll be able to view the feedback when I click on that. And then the next icon is that arrow, which allows you to resubmit the paper. And then the third icon is that down arrow, which allows you to download the paper. And then the last icon is allowing you to download the digital receipt. Remember that after you have submitted your first submission, it will give you the percentage. Then you can be able to view the percentage and then you go and make corrections or you make changes and then you submit again. As per the system, you've got 3 times consecutively to submit the same document. So when you submit again, it will override the first document that you have submitted, and then it will provide you a new percentage. You do that for the third time, it will override the second document, and then it will bring you a new percentage, similarity percentage. After the third time has elapsed, you have to wait for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it will also again give you those 3 consecutive times to submit your document until the due date is met. Now, this first icon that says resubmit, so this is where you keep on submitting your papers by clicking on that resubmit button. It will allow you to upload the paper again. And then on the third one, so this download the paper, which means now when your supervisor is requesting proof from you to say you have submitted your work on the Turnitin, send me the proof that you have submitted. Send me the hard copy of the soft copy of the feedback from Turnitin. So this is where you download that paper. It will be in a form of a PDF format. And then the last icon, that is now the digital receipt. That will be now the receipt that indicates, it acts as a submission feedback that will indicate you when did you submit, the title of submission, the number of words and all that stuff. That's the receipt. So this is what the lecturer will want for you, from you or the supervisor. That is now to download the paper. So how do we view or analyze the similarity report so that you can go and make amendments in your project or assignment or proposal? You click on that percentage and then it will open the feedback screen. You click on that percentage and then it will open the feedback screen. On your right, you will see all these icons. This area, we call it the similarity tool a box. We call it a similarity toolbox where it has your percentage. So you click on that percentage so that it will allow or it will open the resources that are making up this 23%. You click on the percentage or on the number, and then it will open the screen which says match overview. That will show you the resources that are matching within your document. So all these resources are numbered and are colored. So each resource has its own color and its own number. All of these are appearing within your document. So in order for you to know exactly what a text in your document is similar to this particular source that has been picked up by the system, you click on the number of the source that you want to know the resources that are matching, or to know the text that are matching versus your document and the internet source that the system has picked up. So you'll just click on that number. So all those documents that are reflecting one within your document, if you see your document is highlighted with different colors, these different colors, they are indicating these sources that are matching your text in your document. So the first one is that internet source, which is usdla.org. So from the usdla.org, these are the words that are coming from this site. A type of communication that can occur at the time, blah, 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 is. From my document, this is the exact words. Is a type of communication that can occur anytime, blah, 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 blah. The same text as is. In this case, these are the documents, or these are the words that you can be able to rewrite. You can be able to paraphrase in your own words so that the system cannot easily detect to say, because now it's indicating that you have taken these words exactly as they are from this source and then you've pasted them in your document. So to avoid that, remember how to avoid plagiarism. You need to paraphrase, you need to rewrite the text into your own words, so that, but mind the content, so that the system will not detect all those text word by word. So can the student run away from using the same words, or can the students be able to rewrite or edit this text or modify this text so that the system cannot pick it up? Yes. As per this, as a type of communication, you can write this paragraph into your own words and then into your own understanding. Then the system will not be able to pick it up. So this is how, colleagues, you are looking at these sources, the meshed sources versus the text or the words that we have written in your document. So you will move along with those arrows, and then it will show you all those that are numbered 1 in your document, meaning that they are, or they have used the exact words from this source, and you have used them as they are in your document. After you've done that, so now do you see the difference is that when you have uploaded the content by yourself on the Turnitin system, you are able to see this. If you upload through us, we will only send you the PDF file. You will not be able to interact with the source, and then you see in your actual document which text or which words are similar to what is detected, or what is detected, yes, by the system as being plagiarized or being copied from that internet source. So this is how you analyze, colleagues, your feedback that has been detected by the system on Turnitin. So you will do all of that as they are showing there. So now when you are making corrections in your document, you will be having to see the studio, which means this interactive page, and then you can be able to work in your document to make changes in your document. And then you save it with another name, and then you'll be able to upload. And then as you make changes in your document, and then you keep on uploading, the percentage will keep on decreasing. So this is how the lecturers also on their side, they view your feedback studio. So as you are able to view the feedback studio. But there are words, or there are content that you cannot run away from using in that particular document of yours, but the system will still pick it up anyway. So now it's the lecturer's duty now on his or her side to exclude those sources so that the percentage can go down, because you cannot run away from using that particular word. I cannot run away from using e-learning. E-learning is there in every document. E-learning is e-learning. I can rephrase it, or I cannot use it in another way, but the system at times will pick it up. So it's the lecturer's duty now to do what? To exclude those sources. That is how, colleagues, you what to call, you analyze and view the feedback of the paper that you have submitted on Turnitin. From this feedback side as well, we also have the download option. We click on this drop down arrow. It will allow us to download the current view and be able to download the digital receipt. The current view will be this document with all these highlights. At the end, it will have all these sources listed there. It's in a PDF format as well. The digital receipt is the receipt that says you have submitted this paper on this day. This is the title, how many words, and all that stuff. What is important is the current view, which is now the report that your supervisors will want from you as proof that you have submitted your document on the Turnitin system. I thank you.